Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to start from scratch in Lightroom and show you how I edited this photo of a male hooded Merganser. So this is the complete original raw file, unedited in Lightroom. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is crop it just a little bit tighter. It was a little bit far away. So something like that looks good for me. Next, I'm going to go bring up the shadows a little bit, bring the blacks down just a touch, give it a little more contrast, bring the white balance a little bit towards magenta, and just a touch more in the blacks. So that looks like a good starting point to me. I'm also going to bring the highlights down just a touch, try and bring some more detail back right in the hood there. So this seems like a good starting point in Lightroom. Next, we're going to pop right into Photoshop. So first step is I'm just going to scan the entire image, zoomed in, make sure there's no dust spots or anything weird that I want gone. This image looks pretty clean. Next thing I'm going to do, hue and saturation adjustment layer, head to the blue channel and desaturate it. Also the cyan channel and desaturate it. I want to take some of that blue shadow out of the hood there and a little bit of the back feathers here. Just make that nice and clean and white. I kind of like it in the water though. Next thing is the background's a little splotchy and light. So I'm just going to do a curves adjustment layer that I put on there already to burn it. So I'm just kind of painting in with white right now in the layer mask to just kind of darken the background here just a little bit. And I'm specifically right now trying to hit those lighter spots so I can kind of even out maybe the tone in the background a little bit. So a little bit darker in the foreground here, a little bit in the background more. And now you can see I'm kind of getting a halo around him, so I'm going to do lightly, go over the entire bird there, so I get rid of that, and then I'm going to zoom in for more detail, smaller brush, and then take that darkening back out a little bit more precisely. That way it alleviates that halo that I'd kind of painted on there. And next step is, there's still a little bit of a halo in the front there, so I'm actually going to just kind of remove some of the burn that I had done, because I just don't need it that dark. There's also some dark splotches in the background, so I'm going to use a dodge curves adjustment layer. And when I say burn and dodge curves adjustment layer, that's just a preset action that I made that automatically puts the curves adjustment layer on the image and allows me to start painting on the mask. So there we go. I'm also going to slightly desatch that background because some of that painting that I had done on there kind of really enhanced the saturation. And then there's a bit of a weird green spot right there. So another curves adjustment layer over the green channel, take some green out, and then fix that up. Last thing is I'm just going to do a little bit of lightening and contrast on the bird itself. Really make him stand out. Here we go. Paint that in. And just a touch darker across the top and background edges. And there we go. That's pretty much the finished photo for me right there. So before, after. Before, after. So that was a real-time edit. Thanks for watching.